Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Play, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly you should remove case from it if you have one. So here you can find SD card and SIM card slot. So what you have to do is to insert this slot into the hole on it, next to it, slightly press it and the slot will pop out. So here you should eject your SD card, and I bet here you should inject your SIM card. Here you have SIM slot 1 and here SIM slot 2. And then you put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately shows me notification like issues with SD card, which proves that SD card is detected. And to show you that SIM card is also detected, we go to SIM cards. And here you can see my Virgin Mobile and even my phone number. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.